Hello everyone. Welcome to Why Did That Happen? A series where we explore major world events using easy English to help you improve your English listening skills. We tell true stories that shaped our world with easy, slow, and clear English. Today's episode is about Louisiana Territory, which was sold by the French to America. It is a story of land, war, and one of the biggest real estate deals in history. Let's ask questions. Why did France sell a huge part of North America to the United States? And why did Napoleon Bonaparte, one of the most powerful leaders in history, just give it away? This Louisiana Territory was bigger than France itself. Let's go back more than 200 years to find out what really happened. Part 1. What was the Louisiana Territory? Before we talk about the sale, let's understand what this land was. The Louisiana Territory was not just the modern state of Louisiana. It was a massive area in the middle of North America, stretching from the Mississippi River all the way to the Rocky Mountains. It included land that would become 15 American states, like Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, Kansas, Nebraska, and even parts of Minnesota and Colorado. It was huge, empty, rich in land and rivers, and full of potential. In the 1600s and 1700s, this land belonged to France. French explorers named it after King Louis XIV. That's why it's called Louisiana. But in 1762, after losing a war to Britain, France gave the land to Spain. Later, Napoleon Bonaparte became leader of France, and in 1800 he secretly took back the Louisiana Territory from Spain. Part 2. Who was Napoleon and what did he want? Napoleon was not a typical king or general. He was a brilliant military leader who became the Emperor of France. He wanted to build a new French empire, not just in Europe but also in America. His dream? A powerful French colony in the Caribbean and the Mississippi Valley. He planned to use the island of Haiti, then called Saint-Domingue, as a sugar colony, and use Louisiana to feed and support it. But something happened that changed everything. Part 3. The Haiti Revolution ruined Napoleon's plans. In the Caribbean, on the island of Haiti, a slave rebellion began. The people of Haiti were enslaved by the French, but they rose up to fight for freedom. The leader of the rebellion was Toussaint Louverture, a smart and brave man who led one of the world's only successful slave revolts. Napoleon sent 40,000 soldiers to stop the rebellion, but they failed. Many died from yellow fever. Others were defeated in battle. By 1803, Napoleon realized he could not control Haiti. Without Haiti, there was no reason to keep Louisiana. Part 4. The USA makes an offer. At the same time, the young United States of America was growing. Its president, Thomas Jefferson, wanted to buy New Orleans, a city near the Mississippi River. Why? Because New Orleans controlled river trade, and America needed it to move goods and grow its economy. Jefferson sent 2 men to France in 1803 to make an offer. They asked to buy just New Orleans and nearby land, maybe for $10 million. But Napoleon surprised them with a much bigger offer. Part 5. The Big Deal. Napoleon said, why not buy the whole Louisiana Territory? He offered to sell it all, more than 2 million square kilometers of land, for just $15 million. That's about 4 cents per acre. The American negotiators couldn't believe it. It was the deal of a lifetime, and they quickly said yes. In 1803, the Louisiana Purchase was signed. Part 6. Why did Napoleon sell it? Here are the main reasons Napoleon agreed to sell. Number 1. Haiti was lost. Without Haiti, Louisiana had no purpose for him. Number 2. He needed money. Napoleon was about to fight wars in Europe and needed cash for his army. Number 3. He didn't want Britain to get the land. If he couldn't have it, better that America take it than his enemy. Number 4. It was hard to defend. The land was far away. He didn't have the ships or soldiers to protect it. So he gave up the American dream and focused on conquering Europe. Part 7. What did America get? For just $15 million, America got 828,000 square miles of land, full control of the Mississippi River, new farms, forests, rivers, animals, and open land. Finally, United States got a chance to grow westward and build a stronger country. But here's something amazing. The Louisiana Territory would later become all or part of 15 U.S. states. Let's name them: Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, western part of Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, small part of New Mexico and Texas, Kansas, eastern part of Colorado, eastern part of Wyoming, eastern part of Montana, Oklahoma, and western part of Louisiana. So in one deal, the USA gained the land that would become 15 future states. It was one of the biggest land deals in human history, and it changed the shape of America forever. Part 8. What can we learn from this? This story teaches us: 1. History can change very fast. 2. One failed plan in Haiti changed the map of America. 3. Sometimes, leaders make huge decisions for reasons we never expect, like sickness, war, and rebellion. Napoleon lost a colony but focused on Europe. America grew and became a much bigger power. And all of this started with a sugar island, a failed empire, and a secret deal. Thanks for listening. Thanks for joining us in today's episode. Why did Napoleon sell Louisiana to America? We hope you enjoyed this story from history, told in simple, easy English. Please subscribe, follow, and join us again for more surprising moments from the past. Until next time, keep listening and keep learning.